Welcome back to Framotech channel, guys. We're back again. What is happening in the market? Let's talk about it. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification. Remember to give this video some likes, and also don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. All right, let's get started. What do we have? Trump's one big beautiful bill is being approved yesterday by the US government, and the intention of this bill is to cut off some taxes and also boost government expenditure in a way. Uh, so tax exemption is going to help some big companies to make cash if they are going to cut off some tax. According to some people, it's going to benefit higher earners and those who are not who are middle earners or low income earners are not going to anyway get any profit because they are earning is very minimal. So that's it. This is the bill that caused the ban between Trump and Elon Musk. And finally, the bill is being implemented and the government is happy about this bill. And so what other news do we have? The US has also declared a crypto week from 14 to 18 July, where they are going to address three major legislations that is going to reshape crypto industry. And so it's going to talk about the anti-CBDC, central bank digital currency act. Is also going to talk about Genius Act, Clarity Act. But what is the intention of this? The intention is to bring some kind of regulations into the crypto space, and a lot of legislation is going to be passed with the aim of reducing market volatility. So after this week, you're going to see a whole lot of rules in America whereby they are going to bring some regulations that will shape or reshape how crypto is being considered in the US. With this, their main aim is to reduce volatility, which is a major concern among investors in the crypto space. So either they are going to, after this, they are going to make sure certain kinds of crypto coins have to pass certain kind of rules before they'll be approved. It can be, or they're going to inject liquidity. It's good that the governments are coming in. However, it doesn't also take away the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Maybe the bill is going to consider certain kind of you need to pass as a company or crypto company, you need to pass certain kind of milestones before you'll be considered in the space. And also same US, yesterday they introduced a bill to remove crypto tax under $300. So if you are doing a transaction of 300 or below, they are not going to tax you. So it's good for those in US right now who are dealing with crypto. So that's a good news. What other news that we have? A dormant Bitcoin wallet has moved 20,000 Bitcoin after 14 years of silence. And this 20,000 is almost like $2 billion. And these two addresses have finally moved 20,000 BTC from their wallet. And what's the intention? Is bringing panic. They are going to sell. Anyway, selling 20,000 BTC is nothing in the market right now because people are buying. We sell, people buy. So that's it. But for the meantime, you don't know what they are going to do with it. But of course, they are going to sell it. So that's it. All right. Now I also heard the news that US plans to buy more Bitcoin. According to the head of digital assets, the US plans to buy more Bitcoin, and it's good for them to buy more Bitcoin, but my analysis tells me they have to buy it low, and so a lot of plummets are going to happen in order for the government to have access to more Bitcoin. So let's see. They want to accumulate as many as Bitcoin to store as reserve, so that is good for the industry. And also, what other things do we have? I think we should just go back to, yeah. So now crypto market cap is a bit down, 1% down. A lot of sales are going on. Now the fear greed index is back to almost neutral. People are not afraid. People are not all greed. The market is normal to people right now, and so it's good. But altcoin season, the season that we have been waiting for, is still at 23. The last time it was 17, is pushing up. We are hoping we get there soon, because this week altcoins has really pumped. Altcoins has really pumped. You know, I go to trending coin we have today. GOR is the trending coin, appreciated 1,135%. And we'll go to the DeFi, the Descan trending. CA is still trending today, but today the pump is very, very low. All right, let's go to Bitcoin price updates. Let's go and discuss Bitcoin. And so now, Bitcoin rallied. It did rally from here. The last time we talked about, of course, on this channel, we were not expecting BTC to maybe go up higher like that. Because the last trend line we drew, Bitcoin get it broken. I think, yeah, I think this one. We talk about clearing the liquidity here and try to grab some below here. So Bitcoin rallied from here and it bounced, then it went up here. So right now, let's talk about its current structure. Are we still in the bear, or are we still going down, or we are going up? Let's do fair justice to this. All right, so now this line, I don't think it's playing anymore, so let's eliminate it. It's not part of the game anymore. And now we are paying attention to the highs over here. And so we have a high here, then we have another high, which is a downtrend. So because this high is lower compared to this high, and it's a downtrend. And now let's talk about the lows. We have this low here and another low, lower lows, still talking about a downtrend. For the bigger picture, and so that now Bitcoin has is trading above the trend line. It's trading above the trend line, but it has not changed character yet. Why am I saying that? We are waiting for BTC to break this high, to form a higher high, to signify that this bullish trend here is a continuous bullish trend. Until then, BTC is going to come down again, because we don't have even a lower low here to confirm that the trend is shifting. And so for those who are shorting Bitcoin, the hope is that Bitcoin should not close above this line. That's 110k5. Bitcoin should not close above that. And so yesterday it did try to close above, but it was not able to close above that. Today it has dropped back to the trend line, and I expect it to break through the trend line. Because of this, I don't think Bitcoin is going to go up right now. I don't think it's going to go up right now. But then my sentiment becomes invalid only when BTC closes above 110.5. If not, we are going down, and as we come down, we need to break this low here, 98k, because it tells us that we are in a downtrend. For the meantime, accumulation is ongoing. So if BTC is not able to close, then we are coming down. So that's my sentiment on Bitcoin. I think we can still short BTC. We can still short BTC if you are in the VIP group. We already started shorting BTC yesterday when it hits this high, and it was not. Then we put our stop loss here. We short BTC to break this, and to even break this trend line. So that is what we are looking for. Massive dump is what the chart is presenting. It's not what I'm talking about. Anyway, it becomes invalid when we break above this. When we break above here, then we can go as higher. Now if you check here, a character got changed right from here, and this support is very strong. These two supports, we are not able to trade high above these guys, which is not good for the market. Markets is likely to come back to retest here, as we discussed the other time. All right, so that's my sentiment on BTC. That's my sentiment on BTC. It's not a financial advice, but that's what I have for you today. All right, thank you for watching. See you another video. Thanks.